Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Are you good? Not so good? Or super good? I'm great. I feel very happy today. Let's talk about means of transportation today. This is the beginning of Unit 6 of your book. Let's go. I have some examples here of some means of transportation. We have the bike. We have the truck. This mean of transport can be called by truck or lorry. Okay? Two names for this transport, truck and lorry. Helicopter, car, plane or airplane. Okay? Two names, plane, airplane. This is a motorcycle or motorbike. Two names, okay? Motorcycle or motorbike. Train, bus, boat. Aha, this is very different. This is a gondola. It's very famous in Italy. Okay, the name is gondola. And to finish, this is the horse-drawn carriage. Horse-drawn carriage. Okay? Now, let's review. Two means of transport. Okay? This is the horse-drawn carriage and gondola. Okay? Now that you know the vocabulary, let's go to the student's book. Let's see what we have to do. This is the student's book, okay? And this is page 32. Here in this page, you're going to use the stickers. These are the stickers you are gonna use, okay? They're at the end of your book. Today we are going to use only these words about means of transportation. But let's see, what do you have to do on page 32? At this time, we are going to organize. We are going to divide the words into three groups. Group number one is the land. For example, the streets, the roads, the avenues, okay? And then we have another group, the water, for example, the ocean, the rivers, the lakes, okay? So we have group number one, land, water, and finally, air, okay? We have three groups and you are going to stick the stickers in each of these groups, okay? I hope you enjoyed. Bye, bye, bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time, okay? Bye.